In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to push code to GitHub using Git GUI. First, let's open the committed project in Git GUI. Launch Git GUI from the Windows Start menu and wait for the main window to appear. Under Open Recent Repository, click the local project you want to push. The main window should now display the current branch with empty unstaged changes and staged changes lists. This confirms that your code has already been committed and is ready to send out. Next, let's copy the GitHub destination URL. Switch over to the empty GitHub repository page in your browser. In the Quick Setup box near the top, click HTTPS if it is not already selected as the connection type. Then click the small copy icon at the right end of the remote repository URL to place that address on your clipboard. Now let's push the current branch directly to GitHub. Return to the Git GUI window, and in the lower left action area, click the Push button. The Push Branches dialog should open, and it should already highlight the current branch under Source Branches. Below that, under Destination Repository, select the option labeled Arbitrary Location. Click into the URL field beside Arbitrary Location and paste the GitHub repository URL you just copied from the browser. Take a moment to check that the address looks correct. Once you're happy with it, click the Push button at the bottom right of the dialog to send the branch. If the Git Credential Manager window opens at this point, click Sign In with your browser. This will hand authentication over to your default browser. In the already signed in GitHub browser window, click Authorize Git Ecosystem if GitHub asks you to approve the Git Credential Manager application. Return to Git GUI once the browser reports that authentication succeeded. Wait patiently for the push console to display the word Success, then click Close at the bottom of the push console to dismiss it. Lastly, let's verify the pushed code on GitHub. Switch back to the prepared GitHub repository page in the browser and click Reload in the browser toolbar to refresh the view. The repository should now show the pushed branch, the index.html file, the styles.css file, and the initial website commit listed together. The committed local branch is now on GitHub, and the repository page lists both code files and the matching commit, confirming that Git GUI pushed to the copied HTTPS destination successfully. Congratulations!